Hi guys, it's Lynne with Softsquares. We are going to go on a shop tour today of the Busy Thimble. They are located in Bowling Green, Ohio, and I went to Ohio the 1st of May for some training on EQ8, which is electric quilt. It's for making patterns and designing stuff. I'm taking you on a tour going into town, and we're going to come across the shop, and it is right there. You almost don't see it where the red and green were. You do enter the building from the back side, so we're going to go through the shop. It's a tiny, skinny little shop. Half of it is fabric and the other half is yarn, so you'll get to see the yarn in a minute. We will talk to the shop owner and the manager, and they actually own the store next door, which is a Ben Franklin, and they've had that store for years, and they did not renew their franchise, so now they just call it Ben. But here in a minute you're going to see a door what passes through, so the yarn and the quilt store are all connected, and then there's the Ben Franklin or the Franklin store next door. And you do enter and find parking on the back side of that. So if you go check the store out, be sure to get your mapping program out, and it will actually direct you to the back side of the building. But you're going to see outside a little bit. It's a tiny little downtown with the storefront. It's a cute little building. So let me tell you a little bit about Bowling Green. So Bowling Green is a population of about 30,000. It serves as the county seat for Wood County. It was founded in 1833. The early growth was influenced by the prosperous oil boom era of the 1800s. It is also a college town. Bowling Green University is there, and it's predominantly students. Alrighty, let's go talk to the shop owners, and I'll quit talking. Thanks for hanging out with me, and go check this store out when you go there.
I'm the owner's daughter.
I'm Lynne with Softsquares. I called earlier.
Yes. Tammy told me.
Okay.
Karen is the one who is the shop manager.
Okay. And that's what I talked to earlier. Okay. Is that her up there cutting?
She's up cutting. Yeah.
Okay.
She's up cutting.
Turn this around. Well, do you want to be on the video?
I don't. Absolutely. It's almost like a phobia.
So what is your name?
Lisa.
Lisa.
Yeah. And that's Karen.
Okay.
I'm never here, so if you call and ask for me, I won't be here.
This
Hi.
is
Karen.
Karen, I'm sorry.
That's all right.
This is
So
Karen. We are at the Busy Thimble in
Bowling Green,
Bowling
Ohio.
Green.
Mhm,
Okay.
Ohio.
Ohio.
Because there's a Bowling Green, Kentucky too.
Oh, that's good to know. I've not been to either place before,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
okay.
Bowling Green, Ohio.
Well, look how cute this little store is. I
Yes,
walked
it is
around
so
a little
cute.
bit, but we're going to get a little bit more. But this is basically like the manager, right?
Yes.
And so she's going to tell us a little bit about the store, the
Okay.
history, and anything you know about.
So, you know what? I almost want to ask. So, how long have we been here, Lisa?
2010.
2010. We opened in 2010. I've only been here since September.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but that's okay. We are the only fabric store here in town.
Yeah.
So this is kind of nice for the quilters in town that we have this, and we also
Yeah.
have yarn on this side,
Oh,
and that is so
yes.
nice for the people who are crocheters and knitters.
I saw how you guys have a ton of different kinds of yarn.
Yes, and we try and keep a variety of yarn as well as a variety of quilt fabrics that people will like. We get new fabric all the time. We get new yarns all the time. And we have little classes on Saturdays. We call them make and take.
Okay.
So that's kind of fun for people. We have a little craft day usually on Wednesdays from 1 to 3.
Okay.
So people can come in and work on projects or get advice.
Okay, and the reason I'm here is because I came for EQ8 training, and you
Yes.
said that their office is actually in Bowling Green.
That's true.
Okay, we had to go to Mommy for the class, so I didn't
Okay. Yeah,
know
they're
where their
here in
office was.
town. They're right here in town.
Okay, do you get a lot of people that come because of them that wander through here?
I had a lot of business this weekend because of that. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, and I think we said we invited everybody. I think all the quilt stores in this area
Yeah.
Invited people and said, when you're done with class,
Just
we're here.
come over. I know.
Yeah.
And I love checking out new stores anyway, but I'm like, oh, I got a coupon. For sure I'm coming into this.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
So, oh, okay. So you said you just started in September?
Yeah, yeah. Coming up on 1 year pretty soon in a few months.
Yeah, it's fun
Yeah.
working in a quilt store, isn't it?
It really is.
Or is it dangerous? Well, or both.
A little bit of both, yes. Finding that out, yeah. Yeah.
And then Lisa, you don't get to see her, but you can see her you can hear her in the background. She's cutting fabric for me.
And Lisa is our fabric buyer.
Oh, even
And
better.
yes, and she lives in New Jersey. So
She's here to visit.
we see each other a couple times a year. Yeah. Which is nice.
That is cool.
Yeah. And we text and chat.
Send pictures. Send me pictures.
Yeah. Yeah. And Lisa does all the posting on Facebook. We have a Facebook account.
How long has this store been open?
20 years?
2010.
2010.
Okay.
So
GSU stuff for the college.
oh yeah, we have BGSU fabric, you know,
That we commissioned.
Bowling
yes, that we
Green.
did commission.
Oh, so you guys are like the only ones who have it.
We
Well,
are.
we were, but yeah, after a year they sell it to anybody. But for
Yeah.
the first year, we have another one coming at the end of May.
Yep,
Really?
another one's coming, and it has a white background, and we
Okay.
have kits for people who want to make
Okay.
a quilt for their student or for their alumni.
Bowling Green University.
Yeah, and we also carry, you know, Ohio State and Michigan because we are
right
here.
there. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah.
Oh, I love these colors
They're
together.
beautiful, right?
Just
yeah.
love them.
Yeah. We have this great ombre fabric that we got recently.
That's fun.
So fun. And this fabric, this Great Outdoors. So cute. It has a little bear backpack and a little,
Really?
yeah, so cute.
And I have to figure out how to get this home. My husband's gonna die when he sees me walk out with bags. He's like, really?
Well, what does he expect? You go in quilt shops.
I
for a
know.
living.
I know.
Okay.
Well, I just love to go in the shops, and I like to, support you. And
Yeah, this
I
is
can't
great.
resist things I don't have. I don't have these. Oh, eat, sleep, quilt,
Yes, aren't those cute?
fun stuff. Moda.
Uh-huh.
I haven't got my account open with Moda yet. My goal is to do that this summer. Just haven't. You gotta do it a little at a time. Oh.
Pincushions, rotary cutter.
Are you guys online by chance?
No.
We have
a
a website, but you can't order. I mean,
Yeah.
what you can do
But you can
is call
see?
and
Yes.
see what we have.
Okay.
We don't have we don't have a page that lists everything we carry.
Okay.
It's,
But if they see something, they can call you. That's great to know.
Yes, we have
Yeah.
Facebook more as more up to date, with the lines and stuff.
Okay. But they can get you online. The Busy Thimble.
And how much did you want of this one?
Let's do 4.
Okay. Bring your hand projects, if you're crocheting or quilting.
Yeah.
Knitting, nothing with a machine.
Okay. Just come in
sit
and
with
hang.
everybody and
Nice.
do it together. Is that for?
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Hmm.
$3.99.
I gotta look at this
That is
closer.
cute.
We have a quilt pox health advisory warning.
Are you finding what you're looking for?
Well, I wanted to ask what you would recommend, I guess.
Okay.
Symptoms include inability to stop buying fabric, hoarding fat quarters, giggling while sewing, and the uncontrollable urge to keep
Okay.
everyone in stitches.
Roll away.
This is adorable.
So I mark the back.
So the reason I even started a YouTube channel is I talk to myself when I'm sewing. And people are always asking me how to do things. I'm like, I might as well just turn the camera on.
You right on the other side over here. Just on the, if you just
In-
go
in
out-
this area,
yes,
though?
Yes, just
Okay.
go
This
right
is
over
a historic
here.
building.
Okay, there's a door. Go right out the door.
How big is Bowling Green?
I don't know the population in Bowling Green.
I think around 55,000.
What is it?
Around 55,000,
Is
is
that?
it?
I don't know.
With the university or without? I can't remember.
Hmm.
We should know these. We didn't know this was going to be a
We
quiz.
should know this.
That's okay. It's a random question I don't usually ask in here because maybe there's people in this area that need to know about this. This is near Pennsylvania. It's coming up in July. Who knows? We might find a reason to come back out here.